Whoa, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Adidas Yeezy 500 in the Soft Vision colorway. Welcome to the Ave. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you had a brown box. Typical brown box. You got the large 500 printed across the top. On the side, it's blank. Flip it to the other side. You see you have Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Flip it to the other side. It's blank. Now we flip it to the tag side. As you can see, the Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Here's a better look at the tag. Now, I'm not sure what they saying this colorway is, this description on the box, but it is what it is. You know what it is. It's a soft vision colorway. Now, opening the box, it come wrapped in that usual beige paper. But enough of that. Here it is, the Adidas Yeezy 500 in the soft vision colorway. Now, you got to excuse my camera if you're not getting the full effect of the color. I'm using a different camera right now, so y'all just got to bear with me. Now, I'm not a fan of the 500s, but I do like them on smaller feet. Y'all probably used to me saying that about Yeezys already anyway. But I think it's a nice shoe for the women, and for the dudes that like to wear this color or whatever the case is, man. Do your thing, you hear me? Now looking at the bottom, you see you have the gum outsole. Here's a look from the side. See you got your mesh, you got your suede, you got your rubber. Here's a look from the front. Top of the toe box, there's your tongue. Here's your medial side with your tags. Give you a little closer look at the tags in a minute. Here's your back. Got your suede and your mesh, your rubber. Here's a closer look at the tag. I think it's a nice shoe on a smaller foot. Again, I'm a size 14, so these don't look right on me. At least that's how I feel. Now here's a look at the other foot. You can see the Adidas on the side. There's a better look at it. Here's a look from the front. See the Adidas, top of the toe box. Got your nice suede on the toe box. There's your tongue. Here's your medial side. You see the suede, rubber, mesh running all throughout the shoe. There's your back. Here's a look at your insole. You have Adidas Ultralight. Adidas Yeezy Ultralight. That's what usually comes on the insoles anyway. There's a better look at your tongue. Like I said, man, I'm not a fan of the 500 model, so, you could take my words with a grain of salt. But it is what it is, man. I think it's a decent shoe. I like it better on females or smaller feet. I think it's made for that, but to each his own, man. You rock them how you rock them. All in all, man, I think it's a decent shoe. As you can see, you got your mixture of your suede sprinkled all throughout the shoe. You got your mesh. You got your rubber. A Yeezy lover's dream, man. Now these do release on November the 2nd for a retail price of $200. So if you're in the market for these, man, go ahead and get your chips up. Now y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back.